Hello, and welcome to the V12 Domino and Same Time Keynote. My name is Richard Jeffs. I'm the Senior Vice President and General Manager for Digital Solutions. Today, I'm speaking to you live from our Chelmsford, Massachusetts, in our brand new Customer Experience Center. I want to show you around. Check out these pictures I took around the office just yesterday. This is one of the many examples how HCL is invested in our partners and customers, and we're excited to host our next customer meetings here after the pandemic. Other investments include millions of dollars spent in R&D leading up to today's major launch, which is our breakaway release. You don't get to a breakaway release or have the tradition of Domino overnight. Now, over the last 12 to 18 months have been tough and challenging for all of us. During this unprecedented time, the team here at HCL Digital Solutions stayed focused, delivered while trying to balance work and home life like never before. And as a team, they rose to the occasion and have delivered our best release in years. We have all seen over the last year a wave of digital disruption that has changed the expectations of our customers and our employees. What used to be wants, like video meetings or working from home, these are not wants anymore. These are needs for all. And with the wave of digital disruption, we are confident our latest release of Domino and Same Time will meet these needs with our focus on low code, customer and employee experience, and collaboration, or the future of the digital office. I want to share with you the rich history of Domino and the highlights throughout the years. It takes time to become a trusted partner of the world's biggest brands. Now let's see how we got here today. So our journey began, and it began and started in 1989 with version 1 of Lotus Notes. And for those of you who may remember, this was when Nintendo released the original Game Boy, and frankly, was my introduction to Tetris. And then, in 1994, a June 24th article in Network World by an analyst at IDC said that notes will drive a new revolution in the white-collar community. In 1995, IBM acquired Domino, and this launched IBM's massive software business. And for those who all remember, in 1999, the global I Am campaign for R5. This resonated with audiences emotionally, and IBM stated at that time, "We believe that technology is increasingly impacting people's everyday lives, and therefore warrants leveraging a pop culture icon of Superman's stature." And then, for 10 years, we didn't hear much. But all of that changed in 2017, when IBM teamed up with HCL as a dev partner for Domino. And this was the new beginning. And then, 2018, version 10 launched. Hashtag Domino Forever is born, and the first major release of Domino in almost 7 years. And then in 2019, HCL acquires Domino. 2 years and 2 major releases. And this is our third. Domino version 12, Notes in Domino, have been transformed. Domino has more than 15,000 customers, and yes, we are growing. So let's talk about that growth. Today, we have almost 80,000 downloads of our version 11 release. For those of you who are aware, that version 11 release is just over a year old. We are also almost at 50% of our customer base on the latest release of Domino. And we're also seeing all-time highs with our Net Promoter Score, which references how customers feel we're supporting them today. as well as our CSAT scores, our customer SAT scores, are all at all-time highs across the entire portfolio. And I wanted to comment on some of the feedback we've received from some of our customers just recently. And I'm going to comment on two of them here. The first one is a luxury fashion house in France that we're all aware of that brand. And their experience with our support organization was fantastic. And they clearly stated nothing else than perfect. They got the resolution very quickly, the support team was very efficient, and overall the experience was pleasant. Who could ask for anything more? But the next quote I like even better. And this one's from one of our IT solutions providers in Denmark. And they stated, being in the Domino business for 23 years, they've never experienced as fast as support as the HCL support. This is something that we've been focused on as an organization over the last couple of years. And we will continue to give our customers and partners the best experience possible. And so as you can tell, the world is still powered by Domino, proven by our customers, but today is all about version 12. And with version 12, we're continuing to deliver on our commitments to the platform and all of you, our customers. Now let's watch this quick video to kick off the major themes of the release, and I plan on taking you through each one of our wows. Excellent video. So I want to cover each one of our wows in greater detail. And as you can see here, we were focused on three major areas. The first one was all about cloud native. We've been hearing from our customers, from analysts, from the broader market, that cloud native is where we wanted to put our investments. And over the last couple of years, we've continued that journey. And we've been very focused on providing our customers with a single, simple deployment that runs on any cloud. We've also been very focused on low code, and low code for everyone. As part of our mission to provide low code to all, Domino Volt is our next step in that journey. And then finally, with HCL Nomad, we can provide a better application experience for users anywhere. And we have continued that mobile journey with HCL Nomad, and we're incredibly excited about the feedback that we've been receiving from our customers and partners. So let's talk about each one of these wows in greater detail. So first, cloud native. With our always improving support for cloud native and our always improving focus and investment into cloud native, you can deploy wherever and however you want on any cloud through one of either our HCL software cloud hosting partners or yourself. We've also made a lot of investments over the last 12 months. We now have OpenShift certification, which has been recently added. We also have our existing support for AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and of course, Kubernetes. Giving our customers the ability of choice is key to enabling our customers with the most modern technologies. So let's talk about HCL Domino Volt. Domino Volt is an add-on low-code capability to Domino. People closest to the business are now empowered to build new solutions even without specialized IT or Domino skills. And I will tell you, here at HCL, we're using it internally. For example, marketing is using it to build branded forms and event apps without the help from IT, while our client advocacy organization uses Domino Volt for customer activities and actions. We are using the products internally, and we are learning as we are leveraging these products internally. You're also going to hear today about our customer, Eckert Siemens, a law firm that's using Domino Volt to manage essential legal documentation that attorneys access every single day. Please join the team and hear more about that story in our Domino Volt session later today. So I can't talk more about HCL Nomad, one of my favorite wows that we are delivering in our breakaway release. And for all of you who know about Nomad, with Nomad, you have access to Domino apps and now on a browser, and they're always up to date. Admins no longer have to worry about upgrading and maintaining desktop clients. We have heard you over the last 3 years of how can we make these things simple, and this is one of the investments that we've been making. But my favorite with HCL Nomad is Domino developers can design apps that run on a browser and a mobile device without any recoding. No recoding whatsoever. It's just like flipping a switch. So I can tell you, from 30 years of innovation, it's been a wild ride. And here we are. Domino is launching today our breakaway release. Domino is more than just a product. It's a community. We wouldn't be here without all of you, and we wouldn't be here if Domino didn't just work. Domino has outlived and outpaced its competition, and the world is still powered by Domino.
No. I'm not going to implement ToTP authentication, not now, not before the deadline, which is tomorrow morning. Anyways, it's always
a delicate balance between encryption and performance.
I was going to say that ToTP is a pain.
Everyone else is getting hacked. And security is one of our key features. We need ToTP. And with V12, we can do it right now, natively.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I found.
Is that a magic 8-ball?
A magic R5 ball.
It looks painted on.
Hey, but ask me something. Somebody, ask me anything.
Okay. Can we add ToTP, like tonight?
Right? All signs point to yes.
Boom, one for the R5 ball.
Yes. Fine. Why don't you just have the 8-ball?
R5 ball.
Whatever, do the implementation.
All right, here we go. Let's try it. Great idea, Mike. I'm ready, ...
...
Do you think I'm making this up? No, take a look. Look for yourself.
I am ready, ...
What does that even mean? What are you doing? ...
Connected, I am informed. I am real time. I am a force. I am free. Free at last.
At last.
Well, I added that part on at the end.
I'm sorry, are we going to gloss over the fact that it had a very specific message directed towards me?
No, us, not just you.
It said Mike.
Let me.
Oh! Guys. Let's just set up the certificate manager to automate the generation of TLS certificates, and then we'll add the ToTP authentication. Then we can call it a night. Does that sound nice? Come on, let's go. We're gonna come back to that.
What are these emojis?
Why is this printer printing?
It's not a printer, it's a fax machine.
The original graphical email client.
Nomad. Nomad, where is Nomad?
Why is it so hard to turn on?
Error? This computer's an error.
Guys, come on, let's go.
Wait, just a sec. I'm setting up the TLS certificate manager,
And the TOTP?
and now the ToTP authentication, and done. Everyone get that?
Yeah.
Yeah? B12, you should check it out.
Very funny.
Slow code for everyone.
Great, so how do we demo it?
Well, it's cloud native, and everyone has Nomad, so we can present the demo straight to their phones.
You may rely on it. Cloud native, low code for everyone, mobile ready on a browser.
Upgrade to V12 today. We are so confident in this release that we'd like to introduce 2 fantastic sale programs to accelerate the adoption and consumption of version 12. The first will give you the ability to leverage HCL Nomad across your deployment. So please reach out to us about the Domino Upgrade Accelerator around HCL Nomad. The second one is all about our program called Volt. This will give you a Kickstarter to see the ease of use of Domino Volt across your entire organization. Please take advantage of these accelerators. We're so confident in this version 12 release, and we are very, very hopeful that you will take advantage of these sales accelerators that we're looking forward to. And then finally, I don't know about all of you, but it feels like a really good start to the day. And we plan on having an amazing day with fantastic speakers, from analysts to customers to our own HCL experts who will give you insights into all the wows that we've had for version 12. And please join the team in about 15 minutes for our next session with Chris Marsh from Research 451 and our own Andrew Mamby to learn more about why our latest release of Same Time is the right choice for you. Thank you, and I look forward to an amazing day, and I'm incredibly excited about the opportunity to host many of you here in our brand new Customer Experience Center. I look forward to seeing you all again soon, and please take that advantage of the sales accelerators that we have set up for version 12. Again, I look forward to an amazing day, and I do truly believe, and I know the team does as well, that version 12 is our breakaway release. Thank you, and hopefully I'll see you all soon. Cheers.